Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is hypothesis. Okay, what is meant by hypothesis? It is an educated guess about the relationship between two or more variables, and we have discussed the variables in previous lectures. Okay, now coming towards the examples of variables. One is exercising in the morning boosts mood throughout the day, and regular walking reduces the risk of heart diseases. So these are just like an educated guesses, just like a very wise statements, you may say. So such type of statements are known as hypothesis. Okay, the other example is sleeping for 8 hours a night improves cognitive performance, and consuming more fruits and vegetables leads to lower blood pressure. Again, these are considered as hypothesis. Okay, now there are some key characteristics of hypothesis. So there should be some important characteristics in the hypothesis. A hypothesis must be testable and falsifiable. By this we mean that there must be a possibility of disproving it through evidence. Evidence means data based. Okay, another important characteristic of hypothesis: a good hypothesis is often based on prior research, theory, or observation that suggests a possible relationship or outcome. So it means that that educated guess must be based on present day knowledge, based on research and some specific observations. Okay, now whether this hypothesis is true or not, this is very much interesting, and that will be discussed in the coming lectures.